I'm Mary from Mary's Milk Monsters, and today I'll be making some goat cheese donuts. Hi, you were just there. Just wait a minute, and then I'll get them. I'm making a batch of goat cheese donuts. I've actually used this recipe before to make dessert cheese crust for my mukbang video, which I will put up there somewhere if I figure out how to do that. Anyway, so I made that, and then with this recipe you can do a lot with it. I call these donuts because they're light and fluffy and they puff up, but they could also technically be bagels because they're a little bit crunchy on the outside. They don't exactly taste like donuts. This is a hint of cheese flavor, but that's just because the main ingredient is cheese. But it's a very versatile recipe that you can use for a lot of things. But today I'm going to be making donuts with it. So we start with 2 cups of goat cheese that I've made this week. And so we just get that out of our 2-cup bin here. We'll set it in our bowl. And then we'll set this over here. On screen. This hair is not going to be in it. Then we will add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And a little bit of cinnamon, about 1/2 teaspoon. What am I doing opening that? I can just measure from here. And then you don't have to put cinnamon. You could modify it with other things to make it savory as well. And since these are donuts, it gets a little cinnamon. And then, I've done this before, I swear. Right, set those out of the way. I'll just set that there. And then we have 1/2 the cup of rice flour. You can use other flour. If you have wheat flour, then it'll really puff up. But I'm using rice flour because I'm allergic to wheat. Now, if your cheese is a bit wetter, you might need to add more. So I have this extra 1/2 cup of flour in case that is not enough. Then, what we do next is oil our hands a little bit. Also make sure your sleeves are rolled up, like I have mine. And then you just knead it. I'm going to stir it with a spoon a little bit before I start. And then we'll knead it. And then you want to knead it a lot until it makes a dough that is very pliable. Alright, start to mix a little. You really need some arm strength for this. I mean, technically, if you have one of those mixers that can do kneading, or like a bread maker or something, you could use one of those too. I'm just using my hands because that's what I got. Scrape off the spoon, past the stirring stage. A little more oil because it's starting to stick on me. And then we'll just stir it by hand until it makes a nice, thick, pliable dough. Alright. Sometimes you have to scrape up what didn't mix and then just fold it in that way. Does this look satisfying like one of those other videos that go up? This could be slime, but it's edible. And it makes donuts instead. There we are. So now, starting to make a dough. Some stuck to the edge there. Key to making this work is to just keep kneading it. You have to knead it a lot. Stick to my hand again. A little more oil. Yeah, because if you keep adding flour, then it'll just stick to the flour. So that's why I'm using the oil to keep it off my hands. And then this is technically level enough that I can hold it out of the bowl. That. And then just keep kneading it for a bit. And then we will cut it into 6 pieces, which will go into our donut pan there. I have. And then you don't have to make it donut shaped, but I use the donut pan because I find that helps. So, it's starting to stick to me a little bit. A little more oil. And then the oil soaks in too. So there's that. Alright. And then I'm gonna set this there. That more oil. Oh, there's no such thing as too much oil. When you're handling this. And it seems to not stick to the cupboard, at least not yet. So there's that. I said cupboard, I said British. Cupboard. I didn't say it the British way. I don't know. Whatever. The wood slab. And stick a little. There we go. Now that looks like a pliable dough. So we'll then cut it into 6 pieces. Let's see. Just down the middle. This is not how you hold a knife. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So now we have 6 slices. And we'll roll them up into the balls. And then we'll set these slices separately off to the side so that I have room to roll these out. There we go. And then you do it by hand too. Just roll them out like that. Oil. And then you roll them out. See it better. And then I roll them out into a log. And then once they're rolled out to the log, I can put them into the pan by folding them around, sticking them together like that. And that is roughly what they will look like. And then they will puff up better. There. Okay, this one's a little uneven, so I cut that one too wide. Which is okay. Fix that for right now. And then you just repeat the process until we have 6 in the pan. For this last one, try just roll it into a ball and see if it puffs up like a bun. Just move it like that. And then I'm going to stick this bun in this toaster oven here at 350 for around 20 minutes. I'm going to stick those in the regular conventional oven at 350 for around 20 minutes. And then we'll see how they come out. I'll catch you in a minute. they're probably going to taste pretty good. And the thing that donuts has is they also have a glaze. So to make the glaze, you're going to get some melted goat butter, and then some cinnamon sugar, and then just coat it so that you have that signature glaze, and then it'll be pretty good. Dunk it. Just there. Some alcohol. And there we go. I have one done. And then I'll cut another one of these in half so that you can see what these look like. They puffed up considerably. Would you look at that? They're all fluffy. A little steamy too. It just came out of the oven, cooled for a minute. And then you also have, just leave this here like that. There we go. And then we also have this one, which we let that cool while still in there. Just grab this. And then this looks pretty good. Let's make the bun or dinner roll. Peel that off. Yeah, it looks like a decent hamburger bun. And then this can be made savory. So that way we can do that. And I'm gonna cut this one in half. See how fluffy it is too. As well. Dip it in butter while we're at it. Just slice it here. So you guys can see it better. Nice and fluffy, but also kind of like bread. And yeah, so this recipe is really good, really versatile. So pour all that, and now cut this one, and then see how it tastes. Tastes like a donut. So I would say it's worked out pretty good. We'll have my full recipe down in the description if you want to make these yourself. If you like this, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. I'll see you in the next video.